Welcome back. Have you ever wanted anything like super expensive that you couldn't purchase yourself, but you still wanted it, so you built it yourself? Well, that's kind of what happened here, but not really because I'm building it for someone else, but kind of the same title, whatever. If you guys know what bumper pool is, you'll know it's a very fun game. If you ever wanted to make bumper pool, that's what we're doing in today's video. So stick around if you want to make your own bumper pool. I looked it up. They didn't have any tutorials on YouTube or the internet or anything like that, so we just made our own. Here's the blueprints. So let's take a look at this. So right here is the octagon that we are going to be going with. These are all 15 walls that we have right here. They're cut. It's on the outside edge here. Let me measure it for you. Just got the tape measure. Let's line it up here. It's 15 down there. 15 inches is right where that tip of the piece of wood is on both sides on the tip. So you want to make 8 of those for the top piece. And there's the 8 right there. And you're going to need another 8 for the bottom, but we'll get to that later. And also, yes, they are just normal 2x4s. Nothing special about them. But yeah, 8 of those. Alright, and once you've connected them all together, you should create an octagon like that. This will be your playing area. Now cut 2 2x4s to 33 inches. As you can see, 33 inches. So just make 2 of those and you can fit them right in there. Now this will be the skeleton of your playing space. So just put them in. They should just go right into your belt. Then what I've done is put the tape measure here and put it up right to where that other piece is. Right there. Sorry, it's a little bit hard on camera. Alright, right there. And then you're going to want to do that for here. Measure it, cut a 2x4 to that length so you could slide it right in there. Again here. Again right over there. Right there. In here. And here. And then once you've cut them all out and put them into place, you should get a waffle shape. Smile for us. Smile. I'm going to start making, as you can see, I've already started to make it, making a pool stick because, like the video title, pool sticks are expensive. Actually, are they? I don't know. I forgot, but I think they are. So, we're getting started. Let's do this. Alright, we have the pool stick. Pretty good. I've gotten it, shaved down. All the way up top to there. Alright guys, my pool stick is coming along nicely. It's actually really annoying to get this to this smooth. And we're about, what did you say that is? Almost halfway, maybe. Not really. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna stop for today and start up tomorrow. You probably saw this in the background when I was showing you my pool stick. Yeah, this is the waffle that I was talking about earlier in the video. And as you can see, it's not a waffle in the middle. This was cut too short. And you don't want that, so we're gonna cut a new one. Gonna cut this one down the length. By the way, these are all 10 inches, 2x4s, 10 inches. And yeah, we'll do that tomorrow. This video shout out goes to Jida Lejakaya. I don't know how to pronounce it. When I watched their video, it honestly did give me a pretty good laugh. It was pretty funny. He only has posted one video. It's about 10 minutes long. I asked him over text, do you like waffles? And he said, I love waffles. So that means you should go check him out. That is so cringy. So you should go check him out. His link will be down in the description. Now back to the video. Alrighty guys, it's been a couple days. I've been working on my pool stick. And yeah, let me show you guys. So yeah, it's done. Put it down here. It's about like 5.5 feet long. And it is really smooth. It's nice. No splinters. We need to get a little cap at the top here. But beside that, this is a nice pool stick. Thank you very much for watching. Come back for part 2. Part 1 is done. Well, that rhymed. So I will see you guys in the part 2 where we finish the build.